another video where I'm with my baby brother and we're at this place where they're cleaning up my dad's friend's car over there. So say hi, Etten. Hi. This is for eating Jimmy Jones. It's really freezing out here because I left my jacket in there. This is Pastor Brian. Oh, so yeah. You want to see my face? I'll show you. Yummy, right? Now, it's just to keep me warm. I got these jalapeno chips. They're spicy, really spicy. Because they're jalapeno, obviously. What should I do next now? Well, this was just a vlog to see what was happening. I'm gonna get now we're just gonna be eating in the meantime. I'll just be eating in the meantime.
Yeah, like it's no problem. Like you wasn't.
If we're zipping fast,
what was your
this thing just
just like, oh, by the way. Yeah, I got a guy off the internet, and he's supposed to come and strip my street.
It's cold.
And we scheduled a date and time. He said, okay,
They're washing right there.
that time came, he didn't come. So I waited, nothing.
So it was really just the
20 minutes
vlog.
later, I said, let me
Bye.
pick up the phone and call.